Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Yeah, that's pretty simple because you just need to scroll down here and then you will have always here the symbol for the flashlight or the torch. Just tap on it to turn it on and again to turn it off. Let me show you a nice trick for it because you can increase the brightness of the flashlight. For that, just long press here the icon so that you're in the settings here of the flashlight or the torch. Just turn it on and now you can increase here the brightness to the maximum level. Just tap on done and yeah, it's safe for the future as well. You have always now the brightest level of the flashlight or the torch. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.